All right, guys, we're doing a dihybrid cross. This is from the genetic cross practice worksheet. And over here, we've got two parents that look like this. In a dihybrid cross, we are crossing two parents for two different alleles. And so we are crossing here the alleles for color and shape of the peas. Y is going to represent the allele for color. Dominant is yellow and green is recessive. R is the allele for shape. Dominant is round, recessive is wrinkled. And both of our parents look like that. That's their genotype. And so here, with these parents, we can see the combinations over there. We'll get to that in a little bit. But we need to separate the parents. One's going to go up here, one's going to go off to the side. And here's how you do that. The alleles for color and shape need to combine in all their possible combinations. So what I'm doing is, I'll show you in a second, is basically I take one allele and I combine it with the other two, and I take the second one and I combine it with those also, and that gives me all the different combinations. And since both parents are the same, both sides are going to look the same for this dihybrid cross. And so now that I've got all the alleles spread out across the box, I can start combining them. I'm going to switch up the color here. And so just keep track of what gets dropped down and what gets dragged across. Remember to write your dominant alleles first if you have them. Apologies for the handwriting here, guys. And every now and then, just kind of stop and make sure you're dragging and dropping the correct alleles. Okay, so that's our box. And now we need to find out what's the probability of having round green peas. So with that being said, we're looking for this and this at the same time, round green peas. So the boxes that have green coloration are here, here, and here. Green is homozygous recessive. So we need homozygous recessive combinations for that color allele. That Y, we're looking for homozygous recessive, and these are the only boxes that have that. But we also need those boxes to have the dominant R. We need that dominant shape allele. That capital R is what we are looking for. And so if I look at this, we got that right here with this dominant allele. We have that here. This one was heterozygous, but this one is homozygous dominant, so that's going to be round also. And then here we have another heterozygous one, but it has that dominant allele, so that will be a round green pea. This one, not so much. It's got recessive. It's homozygous recessive for shape. So that's actually a wrinkled green combination right there. But here, here, and here, we have round green peas. So the probability of the pea offspring being round and green is 3 out of 16. And that's the dihybrid cross.